So this is a special machine. If you can see, internally there's two blading. The blade can place it all in a 45 degree. Then the most important part, which is this, it's all in digital. And then you can see they are actually going through this machine. So just now you will see there is an internal portion that is exposed. You can see it has been very nicely and very safe to touch. So it's from this portion, they actually place in the agings, everything all seamlessly being put.
Discover our Alumlus cabinets, the perfect choice for a kitchen that is formaldehyde-free, water and termite-proof, and resistant to corrosion, fire and mildew. Made from 100% aluminium and available in colors ranging from grey to brown, you will be spoiled for choice without compromising on health.
Shop now at excelhw.com.sg, a Singapore brand.